Introducing KatieGirl, based on a TV show that will bring us back to the 1960s. Stay tuned.
Hey sassy people! Welcome to another unboxing episode here in SassyToys channel. Today, we are going to unbox Call Me Madam KatieGirl series. The box of this doll is inspired by the classic television way back in 1960s. Without further ado, let us now open this box. This gift set is from the collection KatieGirl by JHDfashiondoll brand this year 2023, together with the Lucky Polka Dot and the Stage Store gift set. This doll comes with certificate of authenticity with edition size of 227 out of 500. And here's the acrylic base of the doll stand. And now, let's take her out of the box. I am really excited to play with this doll. Look at her screening. I love her big eyes and her pouty lips. Now, let's remove her hairnet. As you can see, her hair has hair product to serve as big hairspray look way back 1960s. This doll has the body type of KatieGirl body with skin tone of Californians, with face sculpt of yaya, and a hair color of light brown, and with hand-applied eyelashes. Here are the accessories that comes with this doll.
Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts.
By the way, I would like to thank Rudy who reserved this doll for me. He's one of the dealerships based in Taiwan, but he shipped the toy worldwide, and I got my doll in less than 2 weeks only. And look, he gave me some surprise. Paper bag promoting equality, that love is love. It's for everyone. It comes with this magazine of Kenji and Auden with little bookmarks showcasing all of his fashion apparels. And I am excited for this one. His apparel gift set with long sleeve crop top, hat, plaid sleeveless top, and plaid bottom.
Here's Poppy Parker, our model, and she will try this cute gift set. And here's the complete look of Poppy Parker and Alejandra with a new face body wearing R&D fashion. Thank you so much for the gifts, Rudy. And more power.
And here's the complete look of Call Me Madam KatieGirl series.
Something about the way you move makes me wanna feel your groove. Something about the way you dress, baby, got me feeling like a mess, baby. We should still have fun, though we say we don't, 'cause I just wanna get down with you. To find the last time I can call you mine. Once more then I swear we are through. You can tell me when we're naked. We don't have time, so let's not waste it. Haven't kissed your lips for days, don't remember how they taste. You can tell me when we're naked. You can tell me when we're naked. We don't have time, so let's not waste it. Haven't kissed your lips for days, don't remember how they taste. You can tell me when we're naked. Naked. Underneath my lips, something about the way you look at me gets me every time I see your face. We should still have fun, though we say we don't, 'cause I just wanna get down with you. To find the last time I can call you mine. Once more then I swear we are through. You can tell me when we're naked. We don't have time, so let's not waste it. Haven't kissed your lips for days, don't remember how they taste. You can tell me when we're naked. You can tell me when we're naked. We don't have time, so let's not waste it. Haven't kissed your lips for days, don't remember how they taste. You can tell me
She's 100% sassy. So there we have it, guys. What do you think? Is she a must-have or a pass? Please comment down below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to hit that little bell button to receive our latest update. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Here's the comment of the day. Thank you.